What are you doing?
I'm carrying this.
Oh. Please be careful, Luke. Hurry it up, jeez. I don't think this is safe.
Go.
Megan, don't push him.
Don't go. No!
Megan, don't push him. Luke, hold on. Mark, hey, set, go.
Is that funny?
Yeah, do you think it's funny?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
1, 2, 3, 4. And we need 1,
Good job, Megan.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's how many. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 16, and 17.
Megan!
That's how many we have.
Have what?
1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9.
Luke, you know how to count
1,
to 10.
2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how many we need.
We need for what?
1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3,
But what are you
7, 8,
talking
9,
about?
10. That's how many we need on the go on slide.
That's how many times you're going to go on the slide?
Yeah.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, that's not how you count to 10.
1,
2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
7,
8,
10. There we go.
8.
9, 10.
Yeah! Uh-oh. Do not hit me, Missy.